everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the booking.com app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then temporary glitches can cause the app to stop working. Then restart your phone to refresh the system and clear background issues. Head over to your app store or your play store and then go to the search and search for booking.com and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. If the issue persists, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, and delete the app. After deleting it, reopen the app and then go to the App Store, reinstall the app, and then reopen it. This will remove the corrupted files. If it still does not work, the issue may be due to server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the booking.com app not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more help.